Hello everyone, my name's Mark and we're doing a product review on the Sylvania's LED fog lights. But I'm gonna put these as my headlights. Let's take a look. They came with a 5-year warranty. It's supposed to be super bright. The color is supposed to be really white. It is actually, because I have one in there. And what's nice is it matches your HID to LED. This is a 2010 Prius, and it has HID lights, high intensity, and they basically suck. My lens is in okay shape. I'll probably polish it up a little bit, but they suck. So they're just not very bright. Barely tell they're on sometimes. So this is the part that goes in, and typically there is a cap that goes, not typically, but there's a elbow piece that turns, but instead it has this. All right, so they replaced the cap with its own extra piece that it needed, and then extended the connection point. All right, here is the HID light, and it definitely has a yellowish tinge to it. When you compare it to, bam, definitely brighter, and definitely notice the 6000. I look down here, I don't know if you can see much, but and just you could tell in looking at their bumper the difference. And I noticed that the light continues way off to the side. Look at that. Where that light is hitting. Way off to the side. Well, this one, not very good. Not very good. And it definitely fades out. And we're talking about this area right in here. It's just like nothing, not much, and then you get to the beam, but like this off. There's this one. You got that right part, but then you get all of this before it starts to fade out. Like, oh, this is nice. So after installing the second bulb, I noticed that the LEDs are side to side. And here, they're up and down. You can see that. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, I got it plugged in, pulled out. Now we're about to install it, but definitely looks bright. So it's pretty deep in there, actually. And I've seen some where they've removed the windshield reservoir, but still it's a tough get. Success. Success. Yeah, see that side to side right there? Those are the two LED emitters, I guess. And that's why. One, two. And that one just sprawls right out from the side of the car. Boom. So yeah, in summary, they say that these are LED fog lights for fog use only. So bam. Nice. But I use them for headlights, obviously.